Fiat 500. We bought it at Copart Auto Auction. We're doing it just because we want to try to see if we can do it. We've seen everybody else's YouTube channels. We have some free time, so we thought we would try. We just got the car cleaned up. We're looking it over and deciding what we need. The frame rails were not bent on this car. It must have been a higher hit. When we got the car, they did have pictures that it came with you know, a few parts here and there, but when we actually picked up the car, everything was missing. Battery was dead, so we haven't fired it. We don't know if it's going to work or not. So we got a battery on a slow trickle charge. Learned that from Sam Crack YouTube channel. See if we can't bring it back to life. So far it shows it is coming back to life, so we'll see if we can make it work. So we did find some used parts on Craigslist. We got to go pick them up on Sunday. I think we got a pretty good deal. The only thing that he's missing is the hood and the headlights, but the bumper is a red one, so hopefully we won't have to paint that. We live in Colorado. The weather can be on and off, so I don't know if I'll be painting in this, you know, these types of months. So I think what we're going to do is just carbon fiber wrap the hood after we pick it up new, because I cannot find a used one at all. So once we do that, we'll get that started. Maybe the car will be for sale. Brian's got two sisters. Maybe one of them will take the car. We were just wanting to see if we can do it. So again, thanks for joining us. Subscribe, like us, give us a comment if you want. We'll talk to you soon.